In this video, I will show you the gaming performance of Fortnite on the iPad 11 A16. Now the iPad 11 A16 supports Fortnite on low graphics settings at 60 FPS. It also supports medium graphics at 60 FPS and the highest graphics settings, which is high, at 60 FPS. In today's video, I'll play Fortnite on high graphics settings at 60 FPS. Also, I'll turn on show FPS from here, and this iPad supports gyro, so I'll turn it on from here. As you can see, this is the option for gyroscope, and I'll leave it on. Now before we start the gaming test, let's check the battery percentage. As you can see, the battery is currently at 64%. Now let's start the gaming test. Now I've played Fortnite for a while on the iPad 11 A16, and the gaming performance of Fortnite on this iPad is very good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the iPad is normal. And if I check the battery percentage, the battery is currently at 62%. Now this time I'll play Fortnite on the same graphics settings, but I'll start screen recording while playing the game. Just like that. Now the gaming performance of Fortnite on the iPad 11 A16 is very good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some minor FPS drops here and there while playing the game. And the temperature of the iPad is a bit warm. And if I check the battery percentage, the battery is currently at 60%, and I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game. And this is the gaming performance of Fortnite on the iPad 11 A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.